You come back into the room here. I saw you call me, but this NQ rally up. Wow. So I'm gonna look to short this market. So got fill in a micro on a limit order. Got a prior swing up here. Hopefully, I'm looking for them to take it down. So and look to enter into an E-mini once we get close to 1 o'clock. All right. Or before. This is a short play into the 1 o'clock. Got a rally up here in NQ. Came back, saw the setup after I got the call. I gonna short the E-minis and short the micros here in NQ. I'm in the E2 minis. I'm up 130 bucks. Hold this a little longer. All right. Into the 1 o'clock pivot play here. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on. Well, it's not going to break this squeeze box. It's still in an uptrend. So you're going to pivot up back, right? Going to pivot up back, and then we look to take it down again. But if you look at the micros, all right, it's into the 1 o'clock pivot play. It rally up, get close to 1 o'clock, we short it. Usually I like to short it at 1 o'clock, but here we come. Looking for this breakout of this pivot box here. So on the E-minis, I'm up $370. I'm taking one off here. All right, and keep a runner. Okay, this could be bam. If we get to the value area, this would be a nice win. Okay, the value area here, bam, 235 on the next one. All right, $400 win trade, $400 win trade, and two. All right, I'm out. I have the micro on.
NQ 1 minute cross below.
I'm up $28. See that? That's $300 there on one E-mini. Rakesh, you see that? Come, we got it set up. I saw it. I jump right in. It pop up a little, take a few bucks heat, $25 heat. And then we got the drop out of the next one. And we got it. Quick trade, $400 trade. Take off this micro here for $28, $30. All right, done. It's a $400 scalp play. Always have to be at the terminal, man. You know, I saw it, came into the room. My son called me. I didn't know what he was calling about. So I thought maybe he calling me about the market. So I came back to the room. I saw this rally up. See this rally up here? Got back here. I traded here several times this morning in this zone here, right? Right in this zone several times this morning. It went up higher than where I traded it this morning on these prior swings here. It came up, look at how it came up to this prior swing here. I look back, I saw it, I shorted. All right. You should see how fast it could make money. You just got to take the trades, man. You know? When I look at my chart, it takes me a second. I look at the time first. I look at the setup. I look at the prior swing. Break above where I traded all day. This is where most of the day I wanted to get up here in this prior swing here. It traded around this area all morning. Back and forth. Look, here, 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 here. Bam, here. Come down and break out. We stopped trading close to 12, 11:30 to 12, around here. All right, we stopped trading. It looked like it rally up, came back, and take it down. Yeah, there's one more time for sure, but we need a pop-up. So we need them, what we need them to do is to rally up, rally it up back again, and then we try to take it down. All right? So we don't do nothing here. We watch it. Let it go back. We want it to go back. You call me? Well, you called me. I came back to my terminal. Came back to my thing, saw set up an NQ, make over $450. Well, no, it rally up. It goes to the level I traded it all day. And I just shorted it. I know it's coming into 1 o'clock, so I took the trades. I thought that's what you were calling me about. Oh, Bitcoin Cash? Yeah. Okay. So you short it or you get out to your trade? Hmm. Hmm.
Short key retracement setup.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You never know, Mark. I think we can get a pullback in Bitcoin and get pullback in Coinbase. You know what I mean? So yeah, it pivots. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, same concept, am I right? Yeah, same concept. Yep.
Short retracement setup.
Yep. Well. No, not it. Well, there'll be one more. There should be one more trade in NQ. It need to rally up, and then we short it into 130. So, well, I short. I got my lines on. I got into a micro, and then I put on. Yep, that's right. That's exactly where. Well, that was the high. Today I shorted around 140.18, 140.20 3 times today.
Short peer retracement setup.
I know I didn't get RT1. I didn't want to chase it because I missed RTY a couple times this morning. But once I see I have a predictable trades on NQ, I don't switch them, right? Because if I no, what I'm saying, my trades, I was locked in. I was locked into my NQ trades, just trading the swings, and it was working perfect. All right. So once I locked into what's working, I don't switch over to RTY. You follow? Because I want to get out to step. I look what the NQ doing. It's predictable at my levels, and I just keep shorting it. So NQ, I'm over $1,500 for the day in NQ alone. I'm a scalper by heart, bro. You know. No, Apple gonna trade at the same thing, you know. It's gonna pin right there. It's, you know, so 134. You know what I mean? 134 is looking at pin, and Microsoft gonna do, you know, that. Well, Microsoft, all right, it's still in a lot of time left. You know what I mean, for Microsoft, but Microsoft is that 260 pin. You know what I mean? So it's a 260, 263 wide. Later. Yeah, Rakesh, that was my son call. So he was calling me because he had Bitcoin. He trade a lot of coins, and he's up like $800, $900, and he had Bitcoin Cash, and it was rallying. So he's up like a couple $1,000. So he's trying to get. I told him to get out. So. Yeah, you make a lot of money trading those coins and things. Bitcoin is coming out with a micro coin. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is doing well. But I got something from CME that they're coming out with a micro size Bitcoin, major possibilities. So they're coming out with Bitcoin micro futures, size 1/10 of Bitcoin. Okay. Yep, that'll be nice. I'm dying for that to come out. I hope the platforms that we trade decided to bring it out, you know, so the possibility gonna be good. Look at it here. I just put this little thing in the room. That's from CME. I subscribe to CME newsletters, so I got a lot of analysis. I don't read most of it. I don't have time, but some things caught my eye, and so here we come. NQ's pivoting again, right? So we want them to pivot up back into 1 o'clock, and then we look to see if we could take it down again into 130. Okay, so watch it there. I'll be right back. Pivot stop, all right? So we're gonna look for a new trade soon.